Okay, so today we will see some water storage structure. Maybe we will start with a simple rectangular water tank. So the sizes and all, like we can able to decide based on the liters, how much the capacity and all. Now I am just roughly I am just doing the modeling. But if you want the exact things, then you need to calculate the capacity of the water tank. Then accordingly you can choose the sizes. Okay.
There's one thing I wanted to ask, like once we are done with like everything,
Okay.
can you get us like any one project that you have like everything from scratch, from zero to everything, like you have all the details, and that we can model and you can let us know like what is wrong in this, and like when we get the results out of it, like
Okay.
what we
Which
check,
means
what
like
not.
you want to do in front of me, right?
You're like if you can, cause see, I have one project from me, like I have from the office.
That we can
Okay,
discuss.
but still,
That's better.
that is like the one that I've got access to is like a small one, like a small frame, just a small frame.
Oh, okay, okay. Actually, before many students they got big projects, but I never asked them to give the live projects. Those all are steel structures.
Anything like some proper truss or anything that,
Yeah, actually,
yeah,
I
yeah.
unfortunately I didn't get their files. They having big
Because I
steel
have some
structures
big
and all.
projects as well, but those are like the
Yeah.
company in the company laptops, and I'm not sure if I can get those like out of it because I cannot connect
Yeah,
my pen
because
drive
they
or
said,
anything in the
yeah,
laptop.
they are telling it's confidential. That's why I can't able to ask them. But once they shared with me, then it's good that we can discuss lots of things. Like apart from, so they are just assigning lots of parameters and all that we can discuss. If you are getting it, that's better.
Mm.
Like you can share here and we will discuss
Yeah,
that.
I have one with like almost all the details, but it's not like that big of a project. Like it's
No, it doesn't
just a
matter. It
normal that
doesn't
one
matter.
that we
But
discussed.
the live project, right? Like already done project. That's a
Yeah,
very good
it's
example
not
or
even
sample.
done. It's still live.
That you can share. Okay.
Yeah, the thing is that today I forgot to get the office laptop home, so today we won't be able to do it. On Friday we can not on Friday.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have to discuss on that. We can discuss later.
Hmm.
Yeah, so just wanted to know like if you can also manage from your end if anything you have of
Uh,
such.
no, actually, I didn't get any files from students. Actually, I need to try because I can do
Yeah,
by
yeah.
myself, but whatever I can do, still it's better if you're getting the live projects from your office. Sometimes
Yeah.
some students they are getting the consultancy files. So in that files, they are having lots of things to discuss.
Because I have like lots of live projects, like big projects, but those are like all ad hoc documents and everything, like the government
Yeah,
documents.
Anaconda, like it's like very
So
confidential, like that's why.
yeah, so that's why I cannot like get those because I have access to all of them. But this
Ah,
is the one that I have somehow like got from like a senior. Somehow
okay.
I like talked to him, and so because this is a very small project, like the one that I've got. So we can
No,
work
it
on
doesn't
that, but
matter. A
just
small
wanted
project
to
only
know,
you
yeah.
need to learn, so that big project you can easily handle. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will translational repeat this one. Okay. In Z direction, I will go for one step and then I will go for 5 meter link steps open base. Okay. Okay. Now what we can do is we can go here geometry and then I'm going for a add plate, quad plate. I'm just adding the plate for the base of the tank. Okay. Okay. Now like what I can do means like I can just go to beam and select this beam. Now I'm going for a translational repeat. I will put so 4 meter, and don't put link steps in y direction, and then click OK. So that beam alone it came. Actually, then again we can go for a geometry, add plate. So geometry, add plate, quad plate. We can also use surface if it is more than 4 node. Okay. Okay. So we will check the 3D rendering. So like this, like we have now you understood, right? Like why I am putting plate there. That is the structure. We should have plates there, and even we can able to cover this. Like so, in that case, like we can also add a plate here.
And we can cut through these also, right? We can add openings and everything.
In the plate, you mean?
Yeah, like if there is a slab which has an opening in it.
Okay. In that case, like we will see the option. Okay, maybe it's possible in surface. Okay, just a minute. Meshes we can able to do that. I will tell you. We can do that. No issue. So that we can able to do from generate surface meshing. Okay, insert openings in the surface. So we can able to have openings if you are using surface. Okay. So for example, if I am just going for geometry, add surface. So if I am adding a surface here, so you need to end at the same point so that you can able to see the surface here. Now you can see surface, it will look in a green color, I guess. Okay, so plates, it will be in a pink color. So this will now like they fixed the colors and all. Okay, now what you can do is like go for insert opening in the surface. You need to select the valid surface. Okay, so then you need to go for surface cursor. Select the surface cursor. Then go to insert opening in the surface. See, now you can
Which
able.
one is the surface pair there?
What is it? Yeah, this the third one, the fourth one.
Okay, 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 okay.
Uh, so select this, then we can go to opening. So now you can able to see how it looks.
So any surface or plate, whatever we take, we can add the properties as required, right? Right? Like if I
See
want to
now,
take a
like you are
slab and
asking, yeah, the properties and all thickness you are asking, right? That we can provide for plates and
no,
surface.
like I can use it. No, like I can apply it as a concrete, right? Like if I want
Ah,
to check it,
yeah, we can
let's
apply.
say if a because when we apply loads on it, then we need to find out, right?
See now you can see the opening also coming. This is what you are asking, but that is not possible in plate.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. That is not possible in plate. Okay.
Yeah, but we can use this if you want on top. For example, if you want a opening here, but no problem. Now you
Yeah,
got the point, right? See, you need to go to
yeah.
geometry, add surface, or you can take from here, add surface, and you can go for a opening in the surface. This one. Okay. Normally, if you want to consider like um uh, we have like concrete walls, right? Not big walls.
Yeah,
For lift pit and all, we can go for surface, and you can put
yeah.
the opening for the lift so that you can assign directly the properties and all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I can delete this one. Not needed. Okay. Now you know how to add beams, add plates, and add surfaces also. Okay. And
Yeah.
we can also go for generate surface meshing. So in that case, like I am going now here, 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 and here. Now it is asking for two kind of meshing: polygonal meshing, quadrilateral meshing. Now I will go for polygonal meshing. Okay, now this is what the thing, like divisions by default, it will come with 10, 10, 10. Okay, now you can change it. Otherwise, you can continue with okay. Now this is what the polygonal meshing. Okay, then now I will go for again another thing. Uh, just take the generate surface meshing. Actually, here we will get duplicates and all. Okay, quadrilateral meshing I will go. Now it is asking like this. Now you can put the divisions here. So here also you can go for triangle or quadrilateral. Now I will go with quadrilateral, apply. So this is what the quadrilateral and polygonal. So quadrilateral you are getting well disciplined meshing, but irregular meshing means polygonal meshing. Okay, quadrilateral means like you are getting like sequential meshing. Okay, like that you can able to have the meshes. So like you supposed to do like this only for big if you're considering a floor and all, like you need to go for generate meshing, not single solid. So single solid in the sense like it is not good. So you're supposed to take this kind of finite element analysis they used to say. So finite element analysis is something like they will analyze like this. So this is normally one surface only, but it is just getting distributed according to the shapes. Okay, so that you will get the loads and all transfer equally everywhere, not one, not
So
under one point.
for floors or anything, we should take this, you're saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but now if you are selecting only one by one, only it will be selected. Wait a minute. This is surface, right? This is meshing. This is mesh is different. Surface cursor also not selecting. Okay, this is solid cursor. Uh, See the mesh also similar to this one plates. Okay, so it is selecting one by one. So what you need to do means like you need to select like this and delete. So mesh is something like it's considered as a plates. So plate cursor only we can use that. See, deleting plates has left some nodes with no structural element attached. Do you want to delete? Of course, we should delete. So read the command and then proceed further. Okay, otherwise you can't undo the things. But like now it happened like this. Yeah. Then we need to merge everything. We know now how to merge. So like if I want to select only these things, how we can select? Uh, I told you the rubber band selection, right? So go to
Select
the go to this way and then select only these. Okay. Now I am going for where is that one? Cut section. Cut section we discussed, right? I was telling individually, but all three knowing this. Now I'm going for okay. Or I can go again. There some option selected one cut section. See highlighted only. Highlighted only. Click OK. That alone it will come. Okay. Now you can just select everything. So go for geometry. Merge selected member. See it is all merging to the 21 merge. Okay. Then again select everything. No, you need to be careful because this you know to, okay, go to geometry, merge selected member. You need to select the lowest number. That's better. Now again select like this, merge selected member. Otherwise, we can delete and we can do it again. But I'm telling the merge options also. This we discussed. Do you remember all these things? Cut sections, merge and all. Geometry, merge selected member. Merge to it is automatically coming by default the lowest number. No need to worry. Okay. Now like we can go to cut section and we can go for show all. So this way, like we can able to work separately. So the cut section, it's very useful in this kind of scenario. Okay. Now, like you can see the 3D rendering. Oh, why it is not coming? Because somewhere something selected. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Then we can directly go to the front view and general as usual support. Create the fixed support. Select this and then assign to selected nodes and property. So define, we can provide two properties. Since it's very small only, I will proceed with 0.35 everywhere. Okay, then that's it. Then I can go to thickness of for plate. See, plate and surface both we can do separately. I will consider 0.15. This is very small. Okay, 0.12, 0.15, 0.18, 0.2, 0.1, like that we can select the plate thickness. Accordingly, the structure will be stronger, like withholding, like holding the water. Like this one I will assign to view. Okay, and then this one I will assign to view also. Okay, now we can see the 3D rendering. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want here also column, you can have columns. But normally, like we will be having concrete with like directly we will be having concrete things, right? Then if you want to avoid these beams, you can avoid also. But if you want to reduce the size, you can reduce also. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now we got something like this. Now I will go to loads and definition. So if you want something else, you can add it. Now I will add directly with a date load first. So date load, add. We can go for live load. There is no hydrostatic loads, right? Fluid. We have fluid and live load. Okay, I can put live load. Okay. If I'm going for fluids, then hydrostatic load. Okay. Then for the dead load, I will add the self weight. So assign to the view. Live load, I will add. We can add like member load or float loads. Okay, for live loads. Now I will consider member load. If you are considering like which member, so in this members, like it's going to act. Okay. So in that case, like I just these things you can calculate and you can put, but now I'm roughly putting so 20. Okay, kilonewton per meter add. And what I'm going to do means like select here and select the beams, control and control. Okay, now you can assign to the selected beams. It's coming down. So what we can do? Go for minus. Because only for pressure you should not put minus, but everything else you need to put minus. So now you got it right. This is kind of a brick load. For brick loads and all, you need to select like this and you need to put like this. And apart from that, like I can also go for a floor load because we have plate here. Uh, we can go to floor load of minus 3 kilonewton. No, this is pressure, right? 3. And I will put I can put y range of minimum 9 and then maximum. I can put 8 and then maximum 10. Or I can put the top mm, also. In that case, like I can put some 14. So got it. So we got something like this. So because we have played both, we can consider okay. If you're putting minus 3, how it became? Uh, it is just going up. So the pressure should not be minus the floor load. Okay, so 3. Okay. Okay, then the hydrostatic load and I will add. So this we not discussed yet. So water structure, right? You need to go to we can go to plate load also. After plate load, then we can go to hydrostatic. Okay, there is something called hydrostatic load. Okay. So in that case, you need to select plate. Go to select plate. Okay. And I'm selecting the plates. No, you need to select the plate cursor. Select the plate cursor and select the plates. Then done. You can see here. This also you can use some formula to find the pressure. This is a kind of pressure, like normally we can there is some we can say some water height. So there is something called rho gh. Okay, pressure of water. How much? Maybe water of 1,000 we can take. Okay, the pressure formula for water pressure equal to rho gh. So that is what it is. Like so water pressure formula. So P equal to there is something rho gh, height of the building, right? The rho I can how I can put because I can just so something like this. The rho it will looks okay. Okay, so the density. So density of water we know, right? That's 1,000 into G 9.81. That is the normal, right? Gravity. And H, how much I put? I think 4 or 5. I think 4 I put. Okay, so we are getting 1,000 into 9.81 into 4. Okay, so we can use the formula. We can use the calculator here. We know, right? Tools calculator. I told you calculator and unit converter and all. So go to calculator and I can put 1,000 uh, into 9.81 into h height 4. Okay, where is equal to? And I'm putting okay, Okay, when you put enter, it is coming with the 3.92. Okay, that 3.92 you need to put here because it will come for kilonewton. When you're calculating normally in your calculator 39,240 coming, but here it is directly showing 3.92. So that you can take as a 3.924. Okay, so here you can put that maximum. So 3.924. Or you can take 4. So I can go for 4. Okay, then I am going for add, close. And you can see here it is taking automatically the pressure. Okay. So this is the pressure here, and can you see it? It is coming like this. Okay, it should not be like this. So what I can do is I can edit. I can put 4 everywhere. So like this because for the base. Okay, but for here, so here and all like you can change it. So change it. So 4, where it's supposed to come? It's supposed to come here, the node 4, and then 0, 0. We will see how it changed. It's going that way. So you can put 0, 0 and 4, 4. So the pressure will be more in the bottom and it will be less in the top. So you're supposed to change like this. And you can go here also, you can change it. And this you need to put um, 0, 0, -4 and -4. Change. It's correct. Okay. You got the point, right? Like the pressure should be like this. So, but for bottom plate, it will be like this completely, it will be acting. But for the vertical plates, it will be different. And here also, it's getting 4 automatically. It should not be like this. So you can put 0, 0. Okay. And for this, like I can put a edit. I can put a -4 everywhere so that from inside it is going to act outward if it is tank is full. Okay. So similar to the bottom, but I'm putting in a reverse order. Okay, now everything is correct. What is this 0, 0, 0? Which plate it is? Okay, 0, 0, 0. It's coming right. So what we can do means like I can put 4, 4. We will see how it is coming. Plate number 30. Where we have plate number 30? So we have here something plate number 30. Okay, so I can put -4, 0, -4, -4, but we can't able to change. Why? Is this a plate number 30? Yeah, plate number 30. Okay, so we can edit it. It's going to joint, right? We can direction of pressure. Okay, it doesn't matter. So 4 and 4. Uh, it's getting changed. Okay, now what we can do is 0, 0, -4 and -4. Okay, now it's okay. Now you got the point, right? And also I told you how to get this water pressure. This is very small, and you can see for this height, like we are getting this one. Okay, okay. Now only thing is to like analyze. So analysis and print, and you can put all better. Now, you can go for analyze, run analysis. So it's better if you're not getting any warning also. Now it's better, like we can see the output only the reactions you can see that we can see in the post processing also. Okay, the applied load and see, one is dead load and the reaction for it, live load, reaction for it, hydrostatic load and reaction for it. Okay. Okay, now like we can go to post processing, click OK, and we don't have any load combination. So for hydrostatic pressure, and we can see the displacement. See, it was not that much. Okay, so it was like this. So the displacement. Okay, so what are all the loads what you applied? Just like this, and we can go to animation. And for the deflection, we can see how it is going to. So the water, because the pressure we are putting like that, right? So that's why the animation also like this. That is for hydrostatic load. Okay. Okay. In this hydrostatic load, what we can do is go to plate. Normally we will go for beam, right? Beam, and then we will see the shear forces. This is for hydrostatic load, but for the live load, oh, oh, okay. Otherwise, I can go to modeling and I can go back to the thing for okay. Okay, for the live load, a control zoom, if you're doing bigger, like it will be like this. Okay, in that case, like we will go for symbols and labels. No, I think here we can't able to do anything. Design results. Design results. So diagram actual ratio apply. Uh, oh, this is different. Okay, anyway, I will go to hydrostatic load. Okay, in this hydrostatic load, I will go to plate. In the plate, we can go to maximum absolute pressure, and you can see the pressure for, see, this is also important. We can study the pressure and all in the post processing in for the plates, and you can see if it is blue color, it is having more intensities. Even sometimes it is also having here the intensity is more, and you can see the top view and all. See here, it is looking like this, the side way, because side it is the length is small, na, that's why here more we are getting the pressure. And as a whole, like you can see also, so the top view and all, see, normally center only we are having more intensities, right? Normal like that you can analyze. Okay, accordingly, then we can go to the concrete design, then we will get the reinforcements and all. Okay, so if you have hydrostatic pressure, then plates and all, then you can come to plate and you can go for a here maximum absolute. So here we have many things, but whatever you want you can take, but maximum absolute like we can study. So you will get the legend for the colors and all. Okay, we can also go for global stress of base pressure. Okay, so that's why you can go for maximum absolute. Then you can able to find. Okay, here minimum and maximum we can set also. Accordingly, you can set and you can put the value, because you can go for absolute values, or see, use custom limits. When you are going for custom limits, then you can put your own colors. Like you can put a 20. So then when you're applying, you will get more colors. So if you're not putting this one, I think then you can see. I think it can't go more than 15. So I can go for 8. See, now you can see only less colors we are getting. Like this, we can customize and we can study the things also. And you can put the minimum maximum values here. Accordingly, you will get changes also. Otherwise, you can go with the natural colors. Okay, okay. We have the top also, but here it is. Okay, we selected it right. That's why. Whatever you're selecting, you can see that inside it is getting transparent. See here we have more pressure and all because the all water we have in the base plate, right? Like that. Okay, like this, like you can also like analysis like water storage structures. Okay, this is very simple modeling of rectangular tank, but you can try with circular repeat for circular tanks and all. Then you can apply for that also. But this is important. But sometimes the people they are not worrying about the pressure how it is acting. But this is important when you're going for hydrostatic. You just check like this. Okay, it's supposed to act. Everything should be inside and not outside, and it should be like this for the vertical plates, it should be like this in triangular way, more in the bottom, and then a zero in the top. Gradually, it will reduce. That is what the water pressure. Okay, so you just practice like this also. Let me know. So the meeting going to end. Shall we start again after 10 minutes, or do you think it's enough for today?